pick up the brush was because I don't know, I just felt like I was an artist. I always thought I could draw or something like that. You know, like them fingerhut paper books. And then they had the crayons and stuff, the little art thing. I always thought I could draw. But I couldn't draw on paper. Like how you draw. Or do something creative. So I'm like, dang, I'm into makeup. My mom was always into makeup as far as putting shadow on. She probably wasn't into it, but she used to put it on. You know how like you had them little sponge things, and they come in the makeup application. I used to always see her put it on. And I don't know, just to be able to change your face to somebody different. I don't know, it's just inspiring. I don't know, you can do so many colors. It's just a lot you can do. And then it's just like an alter ego, like another side besides your original self. You want a different bitch? What? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today's tutorial is on this look, y'all. I am so happy with the way this look came out. In the video, you'll hear me say like on this eye with the swoop that in the corner it messed up, but you really can't tell. Really enjoy this look. I laid my wig down really good today. Somebody told me in the comment section to cut this off, but I feel like if I cut it off, it would look really good. But the only thing is that I'm gonna have to cut more of my lace right here. If y'all get what I'm saying. Don't worry, I'm gonna get these wigs down packed. But I love the HD front too, though. I really love the HD front too. I don't want to keep y'all long. I want y'all to see this look because it is so pretty, so creative. I love these colors. I'm so into putting more colors on my lid this way now, more so than like going in transition. If you want to see how cheap this look, then keep on watching. It's that time of the month for me, and yesterday, which was Sunday, I was supposed to record, but I was so drained and out of sleep I could not get up and record. I'm trying to really get rid of these, but this is new, and then this one is about to be new. These two are new, and these. It's just like, damn, like, why? And I think it knew my period was coming, so those bumps, I don't know if y'all be having bumps when y'all period come, but it's coming. I tried to put like alcohol on it so that it can go down. 100% witch hazel on. I don't know if my lights is too bright. 100% witch hazel on, but this is for pores. I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna do something inspired by these colors, but in a different way. I like these colors right here. Damn, I didn't wash this brush. The fuck? The first shade that I'm gonna go in with is this one. And I'm gonna tap this. Oh, I swear I feel so drained. Don't know why, but I do know. Out of the Stacey Marie palette, and what I'm doing is I'm just basically packing this on all my first colors. I'm gonna apply all the first colors first, if that makes sense. I'm gonna apply the first one first, and then the second ones second. I'm going to grab this dark pink shade right here. It's called Dance Party. And this purple, y'all. And take your red, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the purple color, go with that. Take this light blue in this palette. It's called Make Waves. My bad. Make Waves. What? This palette got a lot of fallout, and it's like Makeup Addiction Pro Blender. Get my E17. Again, Tipsy Girl and Pep Talk. Using the same brush for this orange that I'm applying. It's this color. And it right on top of that red, low, because I do want to apply yellow right in the front. I want that splash of yellow right there. I want to take my Morphe 513. This yellow. I put every shade on, but you see all the shades is not blended, so I'm gonna go in with each shade that I apply and blend. Right here is where you get creative. You can cut it all types of color. So I think it's blended good to the point where I can cut it how I want. This the blue top is all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, for all skin types. This one actually has like some kind of oil in it. Which has been already pre-set. I haven't used it in a minute. This is Master Stroke Craft Decor. Master Stroke Series 61. And it's a number 8. Never that wrong. So before I go in with my liner, my white liner from Inglot, this one, it's not my James Charles palette. This is the only one that has a white. So I'm gonna take this white and I'm gonna put this on the lid. See what I'm doing is I'm just setting everything in, so the Plouise Base in, really taking this and outlining where I want it to be. Alright y'all, so we almost done with this look. I've been working this forever. I'm taking this line neon green and I'm gonna draw a line right here. I was gonna do outline it, the cut, and then draw a line right there. But I'm scared, and I've been working on this all day. This color right here, this is, I hope it don't crack on me, y'all, please. I don't want it to crack. This is from Fenty Beauty. I take my 702's Red Cherry Lashes. Went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. Ooh, this eye look is popping. We're gonna do a glitter lip. Taylor did hers. I like when she did her lip. I'm gonna take this brush, my E36, smoke out the lower lash line, but I'm gonna smoke it out with the second transition color. So I'm gonna connect that. Like pink, orange. I'm gonna do orange and yellow at the bottom. I already bronzed with Morphe Leader. I'm about to do my lips and then I'll finish the rest of my face. Crayon case blue, y'all. Presidential. I know I love my Jeffree Star blue. The last thing to do is highlighter. I am going to contour my nose. My Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And my highlighter. I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown. I like highlight wet looking. Ooh. I'm about to go wash my hands, put some earrings on, y'all. And I will catch y'all when I'm done taking these out my head. So I can see how. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this one, y'all. This was it. I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. Don't forget to come right and subscribe. And if y'all love this tutorial, don't forget to share it. Let's get this video to 10K. Let's get this video to 10K. I'm going to start making goals so that my videos can go up. And I just have to set goals on this channel. We have to set goals. We have to get to 300K. Like it's like moving up, but we have to get there, y'all. So don't forget to share this to a friend, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, I'm also thinking about doing another series of collaboration. So let me know if you'll be interested in that. Oh, because I will start the series probably in May or April. Yeah, May. It will be a spring leading up to summer collab. I'll probably end it in like the beginning of June, or if you just do all May. See you guys on the next one.